for you.
Okay.
Good for you.
I have you pick. I wouldn't say anything. Green and red. Which one you pick?
Red.
Green.
Red.
Red. My dog, my dog. Don't have a big bite. Let's go back. Are you sure I don't have a water? I don't think bad.
Yeah, my
better.
own rest.
I have water, so
Let's see who's gonna have red. Can I handle this? เผ็ดไหมพี่บอยถามพี่บอย ask you เผ็ดไหม is it spicy เผ็ดไหมเผ็ดไหม
Another one. Do another one.
Chili is good for digestion.
Yeah. Luckily, there's good facilities here.
Good for digestion. Good for appetite. That's why sometimes if you eat more spicy, you're gonna have more food. It's not about spicy chicken, but actually chili is good. It has a lot of benefits.
Yeah, do you want that? You're gonna want that toilet paper.
People are not used to with the chili, of course. Like you have very hot food with the you might have or eat too much spicy, too much sour. So it might make you go to toilet a few times more than usual, but not diarrhea. Because chili also burning fast digestion.
Yeah, that's why I'm so scared.
Chili. Today we have both variety in our kitchen for our cooking. I have both of them. Okay, next. Yeah, pretty close, you can say that. And this is important. We talk about authentic pad Thai sauce and papaya salad, you know, the coconut palm sugar. And that has in here too. And this chili paste is full flavor, spicy, salty, sweet, and sour. But when I'm teaching you to make tom yum today, we're gonna use this.
They're beautiful.
That's the flour. Okay. Maybe you can walk.
Hey, I'll go there.
Maybe you can walk this
Is this
way
enough?
later. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
enough. Thank you. You look for the big long stem. You see this?
Okay.
And you put your knife very down to the root. Look down. When you cut it, it should come out with the white part like that. Because this is the best part to use.
Okay.
Okay, you think who's gonna cut it? We need like 10.
Okay.
Hold that.
Yeah, forget. Come on.
It's
Do
it,
what you mean it.
go on, it's
At
it.
the stem, maybe.
It's broken. No.
Throw a knife at it.
Yeah, that's throwing knives is always the answer.
Hey, you buy one, you get one free.
No, right. Put it back.
Okay, we'll go back to the house now. Thank you. It's hot. Bring everything down. Okay, now you put the last book in. The oil is quite hot. So you see the color changing quickly? Now, the whole thing, this time for real. Set everything on top. We need to do that. Noodle in the hot oil. And a little bit water immediately. If you don't add the water immediately, the noodle gets fried, just crispy noodle we don't want to. And I asked you noodle before water because if you add water before noodle, it will splash on you everywhere, right?
Oh, okay.
But it's okay. A little bit in is fine, but it will stay.
Do I stir it or do
That's
what?
why we're trying to do this. Okay, after we can buy this, you see this book? Everything in, but not the cashew, not the spring onion. Everything but not cashew, not spring onion. That's it on the side, noodle water. Put on top, put on top.
Which onion does it go on? This one?
Yeah, the white onion, but not the green one.
How much water do you put in?
Noodle water sauce. Right, but it's because this is not a non-stick pan, you do simple, and you want to egg the yolk more cooked, so you do like this. In Thai, we call it sai ua. Inside of this sausage has lemongrass, a lot of lemongrass, dry chili, garlic, and shallot. A lot of kaffir lam leaves that they dice them very small. When you bite it, beautiful. You know kaffir lam leaves that we smelled the market this morning? We hit them up. And those two there, those are raw meat for sure. You see this? This is the beef I bought from the market this morning. And we marinate with oyster sauce. But Thai beef is very chewy, as we don't eat steak here. We don't have a good quality like you know. We try to build it up to make it tender. So what we do, two people should taste it. Who is that? You One more person. You. Good. You have beer. Thai beef salad good with the beer. Wow. Okay. You guys have one each. And what you do, we barbecue them. Look, you put on the fire. Right? You barbecue them, put on the fire. Michael, that's gonna be yours, and that yours. Yeah. You can just cut it like that, like a bite size. Yeah. And then you just use the fork and put it in your mouth. The whole thing, make it more boiling. Red and green, the whole thing, 1 tablespoon. I mean, not the whole bottle. I want the whole, yes. Okay, put it in the middle. Let it boil. Let it boil. Let it boil. Let it be. We're making a panang here. We have panang. We have red. We have green. We have the remove. Turn the gas on low. See, boiling very fast. It will be dry very quickly. Now the chicken is already cooked. I would like you to taste your sauce a little bit. If you need more fish sauce or not. You happy with it? Hot, now be careful. Your eggplant is already done. You can add the bacon. You happy with the taste?
Oh man, that's good.
You like it? You happy?
Yeah.
Can I taste yours? See the eggplant, the colors changing now? That's been cooked.